Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.
Okay guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial we are going to learn how we can control servo motor in Raspberry. This means that we are going to write a program which will control servo motor and make it move back and forth. But if you have yet connected your servo motor wires in Raspberry Pi, make sure you check out my previous video whereby I taught on how we can plug in servo motor wires in Raspberry Pi. Here I'm using Raspberry Pi model 3B Plus and a servo motor SG90. So here we'll write a program in Windows, then after we'll copy and paste it in our Raspberry. Here I have SSHD in my Raspberry. As you can see, I have SSHD through VNC viewer, right? So let's start to write a program. So before we carry on, we start by importing necessary libraries. So import rp.gpio as GPIO. So this is standard library for GPIO in Raspberry. After importing GPIO library, we import from time, import sleep. From time, import sleep. We import sleep so as to pause or to stop a servo motor after one move. So once it will move back, it will pause, then move forth, it will pause. So that's it. GPIO set mode bracket GPIO body. This is pin numbering system in Raspberry. Then after we are going to set pin 11 for PWM. So GPIO setup bracket will use pin 11, then GPIO out. After that we are going to use P as our main controller. So P is equal to PWM bracket 11 and 50. Then P.start. We start running PWM on the pin, right? Then after we need to move servo motor back and forth. We want it to move twice back and forth. So move servo back and forth. Yes, so here it is P dot change dute cycle. I put it 3. Then after sleep. After moving in one direction, I want it to pause. Then after P dot change dute 12, it will move once again, Then after, it will sleep for 1 second. After that, I needed to stop, right? I needed to stop my servo motor after using it, so I stop it. After stopping it, I needed to reset GPIO pin to default. So GPIO dot clean up, yes, something like this. So this code of lines 16 will be able to control our servo motor in Raspberry. So let me copy it, then you go to Raspberry. Here I'll create a new file, then I paste my source code. So after pasting it, let's save. I'll give it a name, test servo motor, test servo motor .py. Then the location is on desktop. I click on save. After that, I go to my terminal. I'm in desktop, as you can see, my current directory. So this test servo motor, let me copy it. Let me copy test servo motor.py. I copy it. So Python, then I paste it. After that, I press enter. Oops, let me see here, there is p.start, there is an error, so let's put 0 here. Start at 0. Then after, let's run once again. Now you can see our servo motor is moving. Actually, that is an end of our tutorial on how we can control servo motor in Raspberry. As I said before, that I'm using Raspberry Pi model 3B Plus and the servo motor SG90. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, put comment, share and subscribe for the next video update. Thank you and see you in the next tutorials.